As you lay here in this cozy position, you're going to just place your attention on different parts of your body, bringing awareness to those areas as a way to help you relax even more deeply. So this mindfulness practice we call a body scan helps us to awaken our attention, but also relax even more. So bring your attention, just a light attention, to whatever's touching the mat, from the back of your head right down to your heels. Just noticing the floor beneath you, supporting you. Can you relax and let go any more? And as I ask you these questions, please remember you don't need a response. You don't need to answer the question. So often, just asking the question elicits the physical response. Bring your attention now down, all the way down to your feet, to your heels specifically, right around your heels, outer and inner heels, the soles of your feet, from your heels to your arches, to the balls of your feet, all the way to either side of your midfoot, and then all the way up to the tip of your toes. So the entire sole of your foot. Bring your attention there right now with breath and awareness. And to the extent that you can, see if you can allow yourself to relax more and let go. Moving your attention now up to your toes. All 10 toes. Sometimes it helps to wiggle, just to bring some aliveness there. To your toes and the tops of your feet. Noticing any tension in your feet. And to the best of your ability, just allow your whole foot, each foot, to relax and let go. Moving up to your ankles, your outer ankles, inner ankles, behind your ankles, on top of your ankles. That whole area, up your shin bone, your lower leg. So we're just bathing these areas of our body with our awareness, with our breath. Moving your attention from your shins to your outer shins, to the back of your legs, to your calf muscles. And then towards the inside of your legs, to your inner lower leg. And just bathe this area with fresh breath. Just blanketing your entire lower legs with this love, breath, and awareness. Coming up to your knees, your kneecaps and your outer knees, to the back of your knees, this very delicate joint that does so much for us. Your inner knees, so your entire knee and everything inside. Can you bring your awareness to what it feels like to be inside your knees? Where all the ligaments and the bones live. Coming up to your quadriceps, those 4 long, strong muscles, connecting your knees to your hips, to your outer legs, your IT band, thick band of tissue, towards the back of your legs, your 3 hamstring muscles, and then your inner thighs, your inner leg muscles. So your whole upper thighs, just bringing your attention there as a way to coax this area to let go even further. Coming up to the back, your low back, your sacrum, your lumbar spine, your whole pelvic area from the back side to the sides of your hips, to the front, right, to your hip pointers, your hip crest. Just keeping a light attention on this area brings this fresh energy, fresh breath. And to the extent that you can, allow yourself to relax and let go. Moving up to your mid-back, to your lower ribs, into your upper ribs and your shoulder blades. So whatever's touching the mat, just notice that. Notice how this area lifts and lowers as you breathe. The mechanics of breathing and how it moves your bones. Coming up around your outer ribs to the top of your ribs, to the whole rib cage, lifting and lowering with each breath. Now going inside with your awareness, going internally, noticing what it feels like to be underneath your ribs, where your organs are housed or protected, your heart, your lungs, your diaphragm, and all the organs in your abdominal cavity. Just bathing this area in breath, in light, in love, in gratitude for all that our bodies do for us, without us even having to think about it. So breathing some awareness, some fresh breath into this whole abdominal chest cavity. Coming up to your chest and your throat now. Noticing your throat, this area that tightens so quickly when faced with the truth, when faced with fear. Bring your attention to this area with this loving kindness. Moving your attention across your shoulder blades, the front of your clavicle, around to your outer shoulders and to your upper back. This area that holds the weight of the world so often. Just giving it some attention like this can help you unwind, even just a little bit. Your attention now starts to flow down your upper arms, outer arms, your triceps, and around to your biceps, down to your elbow joints. Just tapping your awareness in these areas that we so often take for granted, down to your lower arms and your wrists, and then your hands. Bring special attention to your hands, your palms and your fingers, maybe even wiggling them to bring some blood flow there. Tops of your hands, allowing your hands to rest. To let go of any tension. Coming right back up your arms, right to the nape of your neck. Your cervical spine. Bringing your attention up the back of your neck, right to the base of your skull. Notice what's touching the cushion or the mat. See if you can relax there a little bit more, letting go of any unnecessary tension. Your awareness comes out to your ears. Your sense of hearing enters. Up to the top of your head, right to the crown of your skull, where energy, where prana moves in and out. So place your attention right at the exact point at the top of your head for a moment. Just bringing our awareness there so often can just coax any tension, any gripping, can maybe allow that to relax and let go. Coming to the top of your head, towards your forehead, towards your third eye, this area always referred to as the center of intuition. Just planting a one pointed attention right there, the center of your forehead. Across your forehead, down your cheeks. Relaxing your facial muscles as much as you can. To your mouth and lips. Maybe lick your lips. To your teeth and your tongue. Just noticing these areas so often gone unnoticed. Up to your nose, your nostrils, noticing breath coming in and out. Right up the center of your nose, right up between your eyebrows, and then across your eyebrows and right down into your eyes. Right into the back of your eyes, relaxing your eyes, relaxing everything around your eyes. And then once again, bringing your attention right up to the crown of your head. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, notice, bring awareness right down the back of your head, down your spine, low back, back of your legs to your heels. And then as you inhale, bring the energy up your feet to your toes and right up the front of your body, all the way to the top of your head. And as you exhale, all the way down the back of your body. So bathing your body in breath. Go ahead, take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Do that a few more times at your own rhythm. You could notice this as a big white light that works for you, or just notice it as wind moving up. Prana, energy, this energy often referred to as wind. And now just let it all go, relaxing your attention. Let everything relax. Let yourself go even further. Noticing what it feels like to be alive. This gentle rise and fall of your breath, beating of your heart, sensations, maybe tingling, prickly, coolness, heat. Our bodies are always in present time. Always fully alive. You simply just need to notice. Stay here for as long as you like. When you're ready, you can start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Anything you need to do to start to ease out of this reclining position. Take your time as you bring your feet to the floor. No rush at all. Honor yourself.